Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we drop 20 real-world tech reviews every single day to help you buy smarter. Today's spotlight is on a party beast, the Sony SRS-XV800 X series portable Bluetooth speaker. If you're looking for booming sound, built-in lights, karaoke-ready fun, and battery life for days, this is it. Let's get into it. This isn't your average Bluetooth speaker. The 15800 delivers omnidirectional sound, filling your entire space with deep bass, rich mids, and clear highs. Whether you're throwing a party indoors or outdoors, this thing brings the club experience right to your backyard, rooftop, or living room. With 5 tweeters and dual X-balanced woofers, it fires sound to the front, sides, and back, so no one's left out of the audio sweet spot. The sound stage is huge, immersive, and loud enough to fuel any celebration. And here's the fun part, it's karaoke ready. Plug in a mic or guitar using the 2 rear inputs, and you're ready to sing or jam. There's even karaoke EQ modes and mic echo built in. Sony knows exactly what party people want. Battery life: an incredible 25 hours of playback. Plus, with quick charge, you get 3 hours of playtime in just 10 minutes. So even if you forgot to charge it, you're still good to go. The IPX4 splash resistant rating makes the speaker perfect for poolside parties or beach hangs. And with built-in wheels and a handle, moving it from room to room or venue to venue is no hassle at all. Sony also added ambient LED party lights that sync to the music. It's a full-on vibe visually and sonically. Control it all via the Sony Music Center app or Fiestable app for custom EQ, party lighting effects, and karaoke features. Whether you're hosting events, tailgates, or just want a speaker that can outlast the night, the Sony SRS-XV800 is your all-in-one portable party solution. Hit the link below for the best deal. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Gadgetverse is your go-to spot for tech reviews that actually help.